Gassing up for the big trip, 2 hours away. I guess it pays to be a Circle K Rewards member. They always get me for that penny. Marianne Donuts. They got the best apple fritters in town. When that arm closes, we're connected. There we go. We made connection. This is a B&W companion hitch, by the way. Best hitch in the market. That's my lovely wife, Debbie, making sure I don't mess up. I told her not to wave because we were trying to do cinematic stuff. No, but I was wrong. Because in some world I thought I was a photographer, but I'm not. That's good, it's grabbed. Those claws grab the pin, it's good. So I've been told different things. I've been told you should do a tug test, and I've been told you don't need to on a BMW hitch because once those jaws engage, it's locked. One down. Oop, dog butt. What are our trailer tire pressures reading now?
128, 131, 126, and 130.
Pretty even. Well, it was nice of that FedEx guy to tell us that we lost our stinky.
Yeah.
It just goes to show you that no matter how much you prepare and check, you can always have stuff happen. Unfortunately, we didn't know until a mile down the road, so I guess we lost it. We have to replace it. We have 3 stinky slinkies we carry. We carry one is the main one we use, then we have an extension one, and we lost our rear backup slinky. So next year, the one that we use regularly will move to the back, and we'll put a brand new one in the front. Every couple of years, change it out because you don't want to have a poopsie. That's cool, that old gas station. Oh, this looks like a nice place. Big. Okay, it was enter south side of the Bridge Road, which we're on, and it says go to the back of the...
Arriving at 6062 South Ridge Road on the left.
There's a bus back there. They'll probably put us next to that. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. I'll go check us in. Yes, we're with Harvest House, and we're staying for the night.
Okay, you want to sign in? You're welcome. How's that sound?
Sounds good to me.
Where are you guys from?
We're from Massillon, Ohio.
Well, that's not
2
far.
hours. 2 hours away. Today's what day?
The 18th. And we do have good music tonight. It's the Castaways. Michael goes around the 70s, 80s, and 90s. He goes around and sings with the group in the crowd. Goes sings up and talks to them and sings and stuff like that. So, but they are going to be outside tonight. It's because it's going to be 65 degrees, so it'll be beautiful all night. We're going to have some little fires going and stuff. Do you see where the other one's parked?
Yes, I do.
And to the right of that, you see another sign that says Harvest House?
Yes, ma'am.
You can park right along that. That's all real kind of level too because there's gravel underneath that.
Okay,
It
very
used to
good.
be a greenhouse. A long
Oh,
time ago,
okay,
so,
all right.
So it's level.
Cool. Are we allowed to disconnect our trailer from our truck?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
You're allowed to do it. That's your territory for the
Okay,
day.
well,
How's
thank
that?
you. Oh, thank you very much. She said to the right of that sign is ours.
How far back did you want to be?
We can go back a little further, maybe if you want, but it's not. My truck's in a ditch right there. Do I need to go that way more?
No, I don't think. Come take a look.
That was right.
You had it. It was green, babe.
So it's like that side needs to come up just a little bit. Not too bad here though.
You're doing my job. You done already? Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna pull away.
Okay.
Tidbits. These are those, what are those called? Love bugs?
Annoying.
Surf dog. You like to surf, Grizzly? Whoa, you okay? Am I gonna have to fish you out of the drink? Hey, buddy.
Yeah, Mom, keep going. Here we are in our spot at Geneva on the lake. Backed right up to Lake Erie on the water, and look at all these bugs. I don't even know what they are, but they're just literally coating our camper as soon as we pulled in. It's pouring down rain, so you wouldn't think anything out there would be flying, but it's gross. It's very gross. Hopefully they leave when the rain stops. I don't think that's gonna happen.
Little fly fishing baits. The joys of camping on Lake Erie. We're hunkered down in the Lake Erie storm. We've got gusty winds. It looks like it's gonna lift the camper off the ground. It's about 9:45 at night. I don't think it's gonna die down until about 2 in the morning.
We're rocking and rolling.
Yeah, we're really rocking and rolling. Listen to the sound effect. for certain when I do this, it dies down. It's good for